Hey guys, welcome back to the third tutorial in the keyboard tutorial series. Today I'm going to play Twinkle Twinkle on my keyboard. But before we begin, I thank all of you who have subscribed my channel and helped me reach 100 subscribers. And for those of you who haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe my channel for more such videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first line is Twinkle, twinkle, little star, C, C, G, G, A, A, G. So it's C twice, G twice, A twice, G. How I wonder what you are. F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Up above the world so high, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Like a diamond in the sky, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, C, C, G, G, A, A, G. I wonder what you are. So now I'll play the whole song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Do comment down which should be the next song I play. Till then, stay home and play keyboard with me. Bye!